Hey guys, today I'm going to show you one of my all-time favorites when working with PHP Storm and Xdebug, and it's a feature called Evaluate Expression. So when we run our script, and you can see that I have right here, I've got the add function, and then whatever it returns, I'm just pumping it out right here. Let's say that you wanted to see some other operations, but you don't want to go ahead and type it into your script or stop execution of the script. You can use what's called evaluate expression. So first thing we'll do, let's set a breakpoint, start our script, and get everything paused. So now we've got it run, and you can see that the output of the math add function is being output here into the variables pane, and it's just returning an instance of the math class. And so let's say that we already know the result of this and we want to see something else. So what we'll do is let's right click on the word add. So just hover your cursor over whatever function you're trying to do this with. Right click and select evaluate expression. And it automatically populates the function call along with the argument right here into this window. You can just click evaluate, but let's say that I wanted to perform the subtract function after I've done my adding. We can just go ahead and chain on as many of these function calls as we'd like. So let's say that I want to see the result of all of these math operations. And we can just put as many in here as we want. There's really no limit. Obviously, the function needs to exist. So there you have it. So the next thing I'll show you is if you have a chain of functions right in your script already, so you're not doing it in the window like I just did. So we've got subtract, multiply, divide. Okay, so we're going to begin our script one more time, because you do have to be paused. You can't run it from a non-running script. So first thing you have to do is make sure you run your script and that it pauses at your breakpoint. Now let's say I wanted to see what's going on in here up until the subtract function is called. So now all I've got to do is just hover my cursor over the word subtract, right click and select expression, and it will populate that part of the chain right here into the input field. Or you want to see multiply, anywhere it is, just right click on it and it will know what you're trying to do. Additionally, you can also right click on any of the arguments. So let's say that you want to see what is contained within the multiply variable. Just right click on that, and it will put that all by itself right up here into the input field. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's super handy, especially when it's not practical to go back and run your script again for whatever reason. You can just see it on the fly and not waste any time. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel.